people to Limbula. Welcome back to another vlogs of life in Nancy. We are here with Johnny. I just arrived this afternoon. And then we are going to Chimoy and Ilian, where they are cutting sugarcane. I just bought some bread and butter and some jam. So we are going to them right now. So we're looking for the car to go. So let's go. This is the butter. And the 1 dozen of bread. Fish. Because Johnny said that Johnny already came back from them. He said that they just cook their own foods. So I bought this for their breakfast. See you there. So people, we are going down to the camp farmhouse at the farm. Look, it's dark. And here with brother John. This is the place with the light on. Let's see if they wake up. This is film people.
Mabakaw here.
You're making bamboo for the tea this afternoon?
No, for the morning.
Oi. How was the farm? How was the sugarcane farm?
Oh, very good. Only stick close the sea and we'll get it.
This is the rest of the bush.
Asi.
Rumble. Tempo membakau. Kebers.
Hah?
Tempo membakau.
Tempo mabakaw.
This guy roll ng membakau. Flat. And cut.
Yeah, cut.
And brother will here cook.
Cookies bombs with bambakaw.
Tas itu ya.
How's that taste? Ito of this Nikos bambakaw.
This is the taste at the farm.
Crunchy and spongy like his bumper buns. Good. Yeah, very good.
Seberapa aku lagi. People, all of the guys is all of boys, yeah.
All of boys here is girls too when cooking.
Boys cooking. Yeah. It's a good time for learning skills of food.
Yeah. Because this time of food you cook here, someone will want they no kind of fuck.
This is the firewood from Natonga. Eh?
Yeah, it's very hot. Very hot and wondrous. Because this place is dry place.
Lots of the people watching are asking you. They miss you, brother.
No, we go and find the cane there.
Find the sugar kami the money.
Yeah.
From Natonga.
Yes.
This is Natonga, eh?
Yeah, we on top here with the biggest mountain.
Second bed.
Yeah.
Go, how many vision for tomorrow's breakfast? How many?
2 or 3.
Oh, yeah.
There's plenty boys, eh? Hard work,
Okay.
eat well.
well.
Otherwise, we're gonna walk like this, your stomach gonna talk to you. Fuck you, go and eat.
Hey, this is tambang biagay.
Kunta ka kakabilan.
Tebras, eh?
Yes.
Tambang biagay.
Bambi ko.
Kuha.
If you want to bambi one girl, you can bambi out now.
The cook a bilbay.
No.
This is the cow guy.
Cow guy. This one the bambakaw.
How's the bambakaw made by Brother Bill?
No, let's made by...
Oi.
Bambakaw with the onion.
Oi. Oh, very yummy.
Let's make
Yum,
on
yum.
Nikos Island.
Wait, that's the technique when it's good. That's the technique.
Yeah.
With a long stick,
Long
4
stick.
bambakaw on top. Oh, kambas, eh?
Kambasukan resu kambastan.
Second last loot. Second last loot, people. Look at the bambakaw. Ooh,
Tasty, eh?
you can see the...
You already taste, bro.
already taste.
Good.
Very good, very good.
That's films. Less sugar. You should add more sugar cane there. So
William is Babu's girlfriend or driver?
Oi.
no,
Used to come.
when you
You don't lie. You the one that hold the gear for the sugarcane car.
yeah, because they're the boss of us coming here.
Oi. This is the second last. That's breakfast in the morning is finished. Ready? That's the vision of Bamako. For breakfast tomorrow is ready. Thank you, brother, for the cooking.
No, you thank our mom for the recipe.
Oi. Thank mom for the
Mom Nico.
mom mix. How's the mom go? How's the mom go made by mom mix?
Mom Nico should be clipped out for the taste bad no good.
Didn't feel the come didn't feel the taste bud. Eh?
Yeah.
Because you the real taste, huh?
Because as them all of the time, most of the time we didn't do. Our taste bud is sweet. But this Bamaka was with tuna and randa.
This is the headman. Headman, how are you? Smile to the camp.
Malo uso.
This is from Winner.
Pula.
This is our camp. This is my father from another village. Hi. This is oh, this is Bara. Say hi to the camera.
Pula.
Thank you. This is our stocks for 2 weeks.
That's a new technique. Alright.
Huh? Nanda technique.
Yeah.
Siya, ito from tech. Sugarcane.
Sugarcane.
Everything you should drink like this with a big cup.
No.
Because it's come in, huh? You stay in the
Yeah.
sugar seat.
Sugar city. Look up. Oh, let's try one that.
How's it?
Yummy.
This is the thing, yeah.
Just shoot like this. Mati. Kalambol of people. It's 5:55. I have no purpose. Sit up right now. See all the boys. Good morning, boy. Oh, good morning, bros. Thank you for the thank you for the lovely tea, Nanix.
Oh, thank you. How's the bubble?
Huh? Wait, the bamboo is very awesome.
Thank you.
Was made yesterday. Yeah, touched by the cool of the fresh moon. Very wondrous. That's the reason of the bamboo when it's tarala cold in the morning. Hey, brother, tell us the plan today.
We're gonna play today. After this, we're gonna go Loda.
Loda?
Yeah.
Oi,
Loda agenda for tomorrow.
oi, that's how it goes.
It's the rotation of the institution should keep 10.
Cool. Good rotation.
After that, we come, we rotate that far.
You go.
That far, like rotate.
The Valeria is gonna cook the cook.
One bomb is falling from the sky.
Nandun are very dangerous weather.
Yeah, that's Ngasukur, there's fault in Afghanistan. Iraq.
Qatar. Israel, Israel.
Yeah, fighting with Israel. That's the bomb from the bottom, from 80 kilometers down in the street.
America bomb.
Yeah. The
B2,
recipe is
B2 one.
coming down, the sound vibration,
Yeah.
sound pollution. It's taken by, I think, this fellow.
No. That nuclear bomb cost many for whatever.
Yeah, many air pollution.
Air pollution.
Because we are dangerous and the outlet of that bomb is very big. That's why it's one dooms.
Hi people, it's 6:15. Look at the weather today. Look at the weather. On this side, it's a bit cloudy. You can see where the end of the cloud, and you can see at the far distance. You can see the truck there. The red mark over there. It's time for loading for the sugarcane. Wow, so lovely. Look at the view, people. So see you there for the loading. Look people, you can see in the far distance the brown thing that's already cut over there. There, start from the bottom over there, goes up over there, over the side. Look people, start from here, goes up there, over there, and this side too, over there. Yeah, wait, big sugar for me.
Yeah, we cut it yesterday, and now
We are what?
we are ready to rumble after this. And
The one that we load today is the cut from yesterday.
yeah,
Boy, you're gonna be rich, eh?
who?
You.
Rich but tidy. Rich but tidy. Hey!
So pain money.
Huh?
Pain money.
Then man, the boy.
So yeah, let's see how we work at the sugarcane. Even me, this is the first time for me to be in a sugar
Yeah?
cut.
Time, eh?
Yeah. We just heard some old guys in the village. They say it's a very hard job. Eh?
Oh, hard job.
If you pass this job, you can take any kind of job.
It's just like in the village. Just wake up in the morning, you go to the farm, come back, have a cup of tea, then you go back. Same.
Same technique, everything.
Yeah.
You think it's sweet? So I'm gonna have loading. This is the rest of the business. How's it, Ndram? How's it? Fine. Good morning. Eh? This is the driver for the sugarcane today. So brother, this is the leader of the sugarcane. Yeah. Yeah. This is the technique from Sisville.
Yeah.
You bind together the udun, see?
Huh?
Bind together the udun.
Yeah. You take it like this.
It's gonna give you more muscle.
Sugarcane. So you should be put it in a line like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you.
Okay. Thank you, boss. Look at the sun. Start to cut us up. Wait. Do the work nicely. You wanna pay or no? This is the chicken. We're gonna go down like this, get some chicken. We'll already got it down there. This is all the place. Chichi. Farewell for the song. For the job.
Just to make the boys watch full scene.
There's some pizza. Look, there's one line here. I want that cutting over here. Time to load, time to load. Look. Do you explain why you cutting on the top of that?
Huh?
The top of the sugarcane.
Became
Low. Oi.
It's gonna give the hip.
Lower? Oi. Oh, thank you. Look, start to be thick. They're gonna step on the top like that, cutting the sugarcane. So the sugarcane cannot be high. Take the level. Look. How's it, Tabal? How's it? Love it.
Fuck you.
There's this side loading and the other side is loading. Wow. This side to load. Hello, brother. Huh? This is the leader.
Only one talk.
One talk.
Two talking.
Wait, very dangerous rules. One talk.
Only one talk, two talking.
That's it, people. When you come in to work in a sugarcane, only one talk from the leader. If no, you kill. Hey, brother. The leader said, brother, one talk. If two talk, you kill.
Two talk, you the one.
So this is not a place to the one.
This is the place to close hard the gun bulls. And follow the headman instruction. And construct the company.
If no, fuck off.
You know, fuck off. Get right here.
Start to pack people. You can see it over there. Sugarcane already cut. This was cut yesterday.
Yeah. After we load yesterday, we cut this one.
You load every day.
Yeah.
Load in the morning, cut in the afternoon, load in the morning.
Take the spare.
Oh.
After load, yeah, we're gonna go and cut again some cane for us.
So, two truck like this, how much money you get?
Still from the tan.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know well the Indian spelling.
Look, your papa there.
That's the thing. After this side, you move the car is gonna move a little bit food, and then you just start loading again. Happy morning, happy loading. Happy morning. Jump, boy. Jump, itu countdownnya. Brother, aku show you the technique. Hey, bro. This is so far, people. So you're gonna take a rest, drink water, smoke the suki, and then we'll be back. Keep loading. Do you want to give it? Yeah, see that? So your baby can see you. You go, Mandabra, because she's the smallest one. Don't get up.
Fuck, tight. No, she will go and get the pep.
This guy from the Twin Thousand.
He's almost be the headman there.
Huh?
Headman, Kiran Kor there.
This guy? Doing.
You'll be citizen there about 5 years. You're going to be the headman.
Ito wal.
But then no, gonna for. That's why we tell we go to the village. See, no.
Hey, so.
Hello, headman. Set.
Shit, brother. How was the boys work? Good, eh?
Oh, not bad.
One talk, two talk, die.
One talk, two talk, kill. One talk, two talk, kill, no money, no pay.
There's something happening now.
Money.
There's something happening on the truck. Hey, brother.
Yeah. This truck start to feel the engine weight of the sugarcane, and it start to be unconscious. Yeah. It's mad. And before here, Swati's grandfather almost coming.
That car?
Oh! Yeah, that car.
So we're just waiting for the truck to move food so we can load the rest. We load the rest. This one move back to the river.
It's good.
Hey, Pras, how was the food? Food. Very good.
You don't touch the ass and you cook. Yeah? Don't scrub the ass and cook. You do like that, no one gonna eat your ass.
Let's go there. Wait, talk to the wife to fix that.
You go check the muffler there.
Check the brew plug.
No, because this car is very old. See the number plate is CB.
Oi, it should be what?
Is very big.
Huh?
You see like this, the outside is very new because that will be serious.
Oi.
No, the car is old. It's new, no repair there.
Done, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, you good manchat, bro.
No, because this fella to taka his grandfather there that time.
Good time to rest, eh? Stand up, stand up.
Yeah.
Tamping mana ganti tu. What time is talan sa awa, bars? What time is talan sa? Kan talan is ready. Ready. One big cup of
Already
water.
Huh?
One big cup of water. Balance it.
1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon soup.
Nawal na taro nga. So time to load again, people. Ram, you want the long one first and the short one?
I want the long
At the
one
back.
and the straight one first. After, and the crooked one.
Sorry.
If the crooked one first, and the straight one second. It's gonna be like this.
Balance, eh?
Yeah, unbalanced. Sit.
You want the balance or unbalanced?
I want balance.
Oh, good boy. Experience.
Huh?
Experience.
Experience me rimba. Hey.
People, this is what Situin talk about. This one. The baby's one. The one with the not straight. You can just take it and throw it in the middle of the thing. And the straight one is to take the balance from the side. You load this one first, then throw this one on top of it. Hey, brother.
What?
That's the thing. You throw that one inside the baby's one.
It's the karkar. You fill in the gaps in the middle.
Karkarya.
Karkar looks not onwards.
Okay.
The straight one is tattoo.
Wait, tuos. Tuos tanu ko from there.
It is done on the sugarcane farm.
Yeah. That's how it goes. At least we learn something. That's how another technique. Bind the sugarcane, ito ba?
Yeah.
To what? What do you do? What do you do? Huh? Cincang mang dah sugarcane. Here. Make the cane straight. Huh? From cutting sugarcane, now you are making.
I'm a mechanic. We can do everything.
Huh?
We can do this. We can
Success. Play time, go. Play time.
do them. The filter is full, eh? Nearly full.
Wonder how about to play? Hey, brother. How about you gonna play play ball?
On the ring.
Very fast. Look the hand.
Wondering.
Gori. That's the real player.
These are real player.
Play.
When I play, you shot.
The more play, the more you enjoy.
This is on top of the sugarcane. It's gonna be here a little bit up like this, the sugarcane. So people, it's 9:06 and we're just gonna go in here practice, and then we're gonna back when the sugar truck is on again, because the engine, something wrong with it. So yeah, we will continue you back when the car is ready. So let's go and have the breakfast. Yeah, people, such a nice job, because it's usually like it's good for us in the village that come from the village. It's like, yeah, you just wake up in the morning, go to the farm, and then came back. Yeah, everything is easy. This is the chef for the day.
Oh, hi, Bras.
Ah, bros. This is what's the menu for the day?
This is the mix of three different kinds of menu, Bras.
The what?
3 different kinds of menus.
Oh,
Dal, noodle, and tin fish.
oh, pumpkin.
And pumpkin, 4.
4.
Nickname Pumpkin.
So the food today is gonna be balanced.
Balance.
It's the balanced type.
All vitamins.
Yeah.
Vitamins A, vitamins B.
Hey, brother. What do you want to
Another
say to
tomato.
the chef?
The bun is very good.
Open. What's that?
Flavor of chow.
Mm.
Chow noodles.
Make the thing
After
taste.
this, we're gonna put some tomato, cucumber.
Oh.
Healthy food, eh?
Healthy food.
Healthy.
Okay, healthy food.
We need some vitamins for ourselves, eh?
Okay, okay.
Hard
The
work.
more vitamins, the more the hard the work. Look, people.
Hey,
The pumpkin, the dal,
tin fish.
tin fish.
The noodle, not check, eh?
Yeah. The noodle too.
The noodle. This noodle. Okay. Some explanation from the headman. Headman, anything? No. What about this one?
Oh, very good, very bad.
How's it, Sito? How's it, Sito? Good, eh?
Good. Cutting the sugar cane,
Yeah.
go to Notoka, and kagi. Drink the put the sugar in the tea. Drink it. Very smart.
Very good, very good. Oh, well off, well off.
Yeah, very good.
Very good, eh? Very good sometimes.
Herman is very good man.
What?
Herman,
Eh.
very good, is very bad.
Ta. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
You wanna say anything?
No.
Wanna explain something about sugarcane?
Sugarcane is nice.
Ya. Amo. How's the gang, Headman?
Oh, very good game.
Yeah.
Only one cup every day, every morning. And when you drink tea, toothbrush, tea, toothbrush,
What
tea.
time tea? Every morning.
Tea, 2 o'clock every morning.
Oh, this one lah. Yeah, that one is Bilame. Bilame, wanna say something to the camera? This bathing drum. Just same as the farm cam, eh?
Rocket, yeah.
Silly. This one, I don't know this one. Where it come from?
We come from the area of Laos.
Ah, thank you. Oh, this one.
Huh?
Come check.
Check.
The rice, yeah.
Okay, that is already cooked.
Already cooked.
Rice.
Tomato here. It's food dressing for the pigs.
Oh,
this.
Food ration. So when you go back to the village, the people in the village can't recognize you for the food,
Healthy food, eh?
healthy food. Eh?
Too much fat.
Taste, don't taste. How is it?
Check.
Good.
Good as chocolate.
The what?
Good as chocolate.
Look at tanah orang asal. Betul. Ya berapa? Time to add our noodle. This is the last thing.
Oh, tomata. Talapai.
Second last, eh? I think the last thing should be noodle.
Huh?
The last thing.
Yeah. But this time is very fast.
Hmm.
Okay, taro.
Eh? Stir time.
Type.
This is the tomato.
Yeah. Cut. Itu apa? Itu nama.
Tomato from Nandonga. Eh, berapa?
Ya.
Tahu?
The tomata. This nato is very lazy. Mark, this thing should be done yet.
Done yet? Oh, looks so delicious, eh?
Very delicious and fresh.
The tomato from Nandonga.
From the hottest cold place here.
Hottest when it's day,
When it's
cold
night.
when it's night.
Very opposite place here.
People, nothing can beat the sugar farm in Nandonga. You can see people. You can see up there. That's the camcod tree. It's real. It's look, it's yellow. And then from this side, you have the rocket, the chili, the Fijian chili. And the other side, you can have the purple. Just surround of the house. Now there you can see the coconut tree. Starting to grow. What?
We're gonna go up to the top there. We're gonna see the view.
The view.
Yeah, the view from the ocean.
Right.
Malolo, Nasawa, Mamanuda.
Oh.
We're gonna see from there.
You're gonna see
Gunda.
very big.
Hey. The marina.
On the marine.
Airport. Town.
That guy is already on. Eh? Late lunch. The mommy here delivering the food, and the father here for the rice. Stable, how was the thing? How was the cook?
Very good.
Very good. Very good nga yung brother cook. Cook. Look. Oh, very delicious. Hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
Works smart.
Fresh. Yeah.
Eh? When you drink the sugar with tea, you very smart. That from Tashito.
Hot nga yun.
Mashima.
Kasi mga gana contain mo.
Boyingo. Salt. Good. So we already have our lunch. We serve to the truck. So we're gonna go now and prepare some cutting sugarcane for the next season, for the next load. Spare.
Spare for tomorrow. If tomorrow we pack that spare, we cut again, we load water, we go for it.
That's how it's goes. Like you cut the one that load today, and then in the afternoon you cut that one should be spare. Yeah. How many years have you cutting sugarcane? 20 years. My here I have 20 years of cutting sugarcane. That's why the sugar very smart. What's that in your hand? This one, the yellow thing. What's that?
Aku deal.
Cordial. Juice.
Juice. Thank you.
Thank you. That's for the for the sun the ring too.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Sweet, but sweet.
So the bush is getting ready.
Hey, mama dah.
Time to start moving on.
Dalam itu.
This is the. How many years you've been cutting sugar?
Maybe 3.
3, yeah. So people, we're gonna cut and then wait for another truck. That truck can use not wood. So we're gonna start cutting. Yeah, and wait for a truck. And then load and then cutting again. That's sweet. That's how you cut it. To the technique. Yeah.
This how it is. And then,
Hey, cut from the bottom.
yeah, you cut this way.
But long, eh? Oh.
This one is sugar.
Oh. Hey, come to me.
Sweet.
So this is gonna be the best sugar.
Best sugar. Why?
Why?
Because.
Alright.
So people, if you wanna know how the sugar process, this is the first process of the sugar. Vintage. You cut first the sugar cane, then load it on truck to the where it's gonna go, and the company that gonna sugar company that gonna do the mix and everything. But this is the first process. Everyone should have one line of sugar cane to cut. You cut the straight line to the end. You can't cut 2 lines, otherwise you're gonna sleep before the chicken sleep. Yeah. The what?
Cut.
Oh, is that cut?
This is the best skills I'm going to show you.
Huh?
Best skills is like this.
Yeah.
It's a cut here.
Yeah.
And it's standing right here.
Yeah.
You want to aim that way.
Yeah.
You're going to do it.
Don't waste don't waste again. That's you know the 4 kg sugar today is nearly $15 in the book.
Yeah. This was don't buy the sugar. Just use this.
Now the master is arrived. What did you experience about the first time you cutting sugar cane, brother? What do you experience? Is it a good, hard or easy?
A little bit hard.
A little bit hard.
Just close it machine, it will be no time.
Only the main thing is close the sheet. Just take the V, eh?
No, take that in.
The V. This is already cut. I'm just gonna stand here with the camera and then wait for the sub. This one you want to have sub. I will help. Try, eh? Mantap.
You guys.
Yeah.
These
Yeah.
two. Yeah. These two.
Yeah.
They lead, yeah.
Oh.
Lead. Then they put the cane. And just those guys to see. That's where these guys do usually.
Oh,
Yeah.
they
When
look.
they put the king,
Yeah.
that is where the track should go.
Oh.
And after it's full.
So you cut the other side and then draw it to the same way. So like those two guys opening the gate, your gate,
Opening the gate.
your gate.
No. The gate.
Yeah. Apa?
I'm the
You babu. Hah? Where? Eh? Hah?
Uncle Babu.
Eh. We're gonna take one son of babus.
no son.
His eldest son, the one who will come and
Hey.
the
Wait. The truck driver.
one will come and service it.
Wait, the son.
That's why it's very called uncle.
Eh? Dapat? Wait. Data son. How's it, brother? Very good, eh? Yeah. This is the first process, eh? How was the experience of the cutting sugarcane? Good, eh? Good, aman. This guy. That's French for from New Zealand. Eh? That's French for from New Zealand. Which place? Ochara? So we can dedicate the sugarcane video for them. The one that is in New Zealand. Uncle, this is the first time for you to cut sugarcane. Eh? First time? You come First time too. Good experience, eh? Good, eh?
Now you know. Now you know how to cut it. Eh? How's it? How's it? How's it? Good. All right. And this is a problem, boy. It's again. Yeah. See? You turn it, eh? Like this, eh? Like this. Yeah. What's up, boy? What?
No.
Easy money or hard money? Easy money. Yeah, easy money. Boy, easy money.
Easy boy.
I thought you said you tried and now easy.
Yeah, that's the starting.
Oh, that's for starting.
Because we just a few people that we play like this.
Yeah,
Very easy.
very easy. Okay, guys, this is again. How do you job, eh? Hey, orange guy. Yes, the orange one. Main.
main actor. Berapa aset gue? Aset. Iko silain bundra iko. Well, wait, I go and bring that later.
Oh, you just got me a chicken fish.
Okay, see the cane. This is sugar cane. You cut it. You're not gonna just stand and you're gonna know what you're gonna earn the money. You need to do the job, eh? You put in the job. How's it? Great? Huh? How's it? Good? Good, eh? Alright. Huh? Very hard, eh? Yeah? Oh, okay. Go. Is it tight? Don't tie it. Yeah?
The cane struck me.
What?
Struck me.
How? How?
Today, I struck the cane.
Oi. At first the cane struck me.
Struck me the cane.
And now?
Now I struck the cane.
Okay. Message. Apa ada message?
How's it, Malumu?
Don't do. Okay.
The cane is very struck.
See you again, eh? Again soon.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Hi. Huh? Easy. Now you know. Yeah. Easy money. Yeah.
And then like this.
Yeah. How's the leg? Good leg. Hey, Rabbi, there. Okay, shoot mother. Right mother, shoot. Yeah, here, right mother. Okay, guys, shoot it there.
Should break, eh?
Take a break. Hey.
Explain.
Explain when you smoke the sushi. How do you feel?
You feel successfulness.
Oh, okay. That's wonderful. Successfulness, eh? How's it? Great.
Awesome. And stability.
How's it? Good day. Still going strong, eh? Yeah. Easy. Brother. Here's brother Simone. There's plenty single boys here, girls. Just choose your partner, eh? And just contact us 911. Fiji always. From Australia to Fiji. And from the sky to the bottom.
Bola!
This is how you cut the cake. Alright. Yeah? Okay. Easy to load it?
Yeah.
What about the long one?
The long one, you cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it one.
You don't use the long one to load it?
Oh, the long one, good one, eh?
Yeah. You put it where? In front, eh?
Yeah, the long one here.
Okay. Kari. Karsasa? Alright, Karsasa. Alright.
Just like when you go reading on the phone, eh?
Yeah. Some said it's hard, eh?
Some said it's hard.
Hard job,
No.
eh? No, eh?
Yeah.
Just like in the village.
Just like in the book, just like in the village.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's your uncle?
My uncle there.
Where?
On that truck.
In the truck? Okay.
Uncle Babu.
Uncle Babu.
No, this way, uncle, this way. Okay, see you again, eh?
Okay, bye.
Bye. The girl gonna watch, boy. Yeah. And they're gonna watch and they're gonna ask Joseph, hey, I wanna talk to that boy there. Huh? Yeah?
Yeah, need some Barto.
Bardo, eh? Yeah. Hey, this boy needs some Bardo.
Barto.
Next to your brother.
If you hear, you bring it, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Somewhere nearby.
Nearby Nandi? Where? Sally? Contact. Phone number.
Phone number. So I didn't have any number.
Oh, didn't have any number. No phone. Okay. Thank you, brother. Yes, see, many single girl, plenty watching. You did well, you know, you talk, you smile to the camera, you know, and they're gonna like you. Eh? And one day, and we're gonna cut the cane here again, and we're gonna see you in the sky with an aeroplane. What is it? Bastard. Wait, what's up? What? M-Pesa? Give the number.
Oh, wait. Next week I'll give the number.
Alright, next week.
M-Pesa for the Barto, eh?
Bardo? Okay, boy, M-Pesa, what's the number?
Barto.
24 77 53, eh? That's the number, eh? 24 77 53, M-Pesa? Yeah. And
Ben.
what about single girl?
Plenty single boy here.
Yeah, okay. What do you need, single boys?
Any vacation you come, eh?
Okay.
Yeah.
No worries. They're gonna watch it and they're gonna message, eh?
Huh?
They're gonna watch the video and they're gonna message.
Okay.
They're gonna choose, eh?
Yeah.
Alright.
This one is a small one. Karkari.
Kari.
Yeah, you put it in one place.
Yeah?
Yeah. On the good one you put in.
Inline.
Yeah.
Okay.
Line, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, but see plenty karkari there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. What you doing?
Cutting sugar cane.
What?
You know the sugar?
Yeah?
The sugar we eat.
Yeah?
And we drink tea and do like this.
Okay. You use this to drink with the tea with it?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you do it?
You use a spoon and like this.
And look at this. Wait, I'm gonna go. Look at it. Just like this in the village. Mana? Yeah. Kerikan. Yeah. Alright. And then when that is where the sugar made.
Karkar is just like to give the what
What you mean? What you mean? See. Alright, guys. See you soon, eh? Fiji Airways from Australia to Fiji, and from the sky to the bottom. Silaman. Okay, let's take a walk, eh? Walk mana? Hey, boy. Good. All right.
Mula.
This is how you do. This is how you cut the cake. Alright.
Yeah, this are small one, you put there.
Yeah.
Every choice you put there.
Okay.
Easy to load it, yeah?
Easy to load it.
Yeah.
What about the long one?
The long one, you cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it one. Next two.
You don't use the long one to load.
Oh, the long one, good one, eh?
Yeah. You put it where? In front, eh?
Yeah, the long one here.
Okay. Kari. Karsasa? Alright, karsasa. Alright.
Just like when you go reading on a farm, eh?
Yeah. Some said it's hard, eh?
Some say it's hard.
Hard job,
No.
eh? No, eh?
Yeah.
Just like in the village.
Just like in the book, just like in the village.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's your uncle?
Oh, my uncle there.
Where?
On that way.
In the truck? Okay.
Uncle Babu, eh?
Uncle Babu.
No, this way, uncle, this way. Okay, see you again, eh?
Okay, bye.
Bye. What's up, my brother? Good? Bull again. Explain, man. Explain. You explain? Why? These guys here want to know what you doing.
Because again, fucking right.
If you're gonna explain well, there's plenty girl gonna watch, boy. Yeah. And they're gonna watch and they're gonna ask Joseph, hey, I wanna talk to that boy there. Huh? Yeah?
Yeah, need some Barto.
Bardo, eh? Yeah. Hey, these boys need some Bardo.
Barto.
Next to your brother.
If you hear, you bring it, eh? All right. Yeah. Nearby Nandi? Where? Sorry? Contact. Phone number?
Phone number. So I didn't have any number.
Oh, didn't have any number. No phone. Okay. Thank you, brother. Yes, see many single girl, plenty watching. You did well, you know. You talk, you smile to the camera, you know, and they're gonna like you. And one day, and we're gonna cut the cane here again, and we're gonna see you in the sky with an aeroplane. What is it? Bastard. Wait, what's up? What? Empesa? Give the number.
Oh, wait. Next week I'll give the number.
Alright, next week.
Empesa for the Barto, eh?
Bardo? Okay, boy, Empesa, what's the number?
Barto.
24 77 53, eh? That's the number, eh? 24 77 53, Empesa? Yeah.
Empesa Ben.
What about single girl?
Plenty single boy here.
Yeah, okay. What do you need, single boys?
Any vacation you come, eh?
Okay.
Yeah.
No worries. They're gonna watch it and they're gonna message, eh?
Huh?
They're gonna watch the video and they're gonna message.
Okay.
They're gonna choose, eh?
Yeah.
Alright.
This one is a small one. Kari.
Kari.
Yeah, you put it in one place.
Yeah?
Yeah. And the good one you put in
Inline.
yeah.
Okay.
Line, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, but plenty kari, yeah.
Thank you.
Do that.
Thank you. Okay, I'm going, eh?
Okay.
Right.
Ano nga to?
Oh, thank you very much. Oi, ampun oi ko, mai pisau. Yo. Apa? Set. Mana bu? Terus. Berapa? Oh, nak tangkari. Lu. Hah? What you doing?
Cutting sugar cane.
What?
You know the sugar?
Yeah?
The sugar we eat.
Yeah?
And we drink tea and do like this.
Okay.
We use to drink with the tea with it.
Yeah. Okay.
How do you do it?
You use a spoon and like this.
And look at this. Wait, I'm gonna go. Very nice. Not hard, eh? It's like you in the village.
What's that? Yeah.
Kerikan.
Yeah.
Oh, right. And then when that is where the sugar made it.
Takarkar is just like to give the what you mean?
What means see? Alright guys, see you soon, eh? Bardo!
It's not hard. Easy. Very easy. So yeah. This is the Mbasuk again. Eta. You take the lead in front.
Yeah.
And here is Samal here. The king of Mbasuk. Listen to the leader, otherwise they will kill.
Yeah, File means
Sapning yun.
something else.
Then have a little bit water. Wait, that's it to come. File.
File. Yeah.
File to the car, file to the truck.
File the truck.
Yeah, is brother here. The lonely brother. The lonely strong brother.
Hey, fuck you.
This is all. You already been cut this part. And then you gotta go and stop on it. And then leave back. So yeah. Time for some juice.
Oh, refreshing.
Refreshment. How was that taste? Good. Give to brother ya.
Oh, it's good.
Huh?
Good juice.
Good juice.
Yeah.
Oh.
We are going to drink tea.
What?
Tea.
Tea again.
Tea again.
Woo!
Rest for the while now is 11:30.
Okay.
1 o'clock. Then kids are gonna come
Hmm.
and we're gonna load the
Good.
Let's go.
Tea break. Yeah. Our mission is to. Brother, our mission is walk slowly, eat more.
Eat more. Walk slowly.
This mana sahabat, this. This man. That's the New Zealand tank. Go.
Oi, nana nakagor. Oh, let's go na. Open.
How's it?
Kiora.
Kiora. Kan binaka. Okay, people. The second car is arrived. It's time to load the second car. The second truck. The first truck is already over there. Still not back. Look, people. Started to be packed, eh? Brother? The truck started to be packed. So those two on the top is gonna organize the pack of the truck. When some of the other places are very big, they're gonna cut and then step on pieces so can it get down. So for the rest is loading. That's it. Key time. That's the one that hold the sugarcane together.
Yeah. You're gonna see at the back, eh?
Hey.
Alright.
Heavy. Fill it up. Fill up. Kok cukup dalam sini lang kita? Jangan meru lah kerja.
Okay, guys.
Iya. It's time to hook the sugarcane so it cannot fall. It's gonna engine up to the engine and then. Now he's locking. This is where I can. That's brother.
This is the hold the dome together.
Oi.
So no falling dome on one side.
Ay! You should see it. Look, it starts to be tight. Look. You can hold the whisk. The sugarcane water is coming out. Look.
That's juice. Yeah, juice. Juice for the juice.
Asan ko bra? Lock. Tulok eh? Ki. Ayo. Tractor deh, enggak this one.
Jangan ayo mau lihat sih mana dulu.
Looking forward. Tractor deh, Pak.
My MCF license is there. Class 5.
Look at the sugarcane, it's tight. Boy, that's dangerous.
All the boys muscles are big because of this.
The key of the sugarcane.
Maybe 50 kg. Alright.
Yeah. Jump on top. Wait, bantu beras. Bantu. You walk. Oi, back to mom's work. Sitting on top of the sugarcane. Don't hold Raka. You hold Raka, that's why Raka didn't move.
Raki hold is not there.
Pak ada, Pak.
Raki hold.
Sira loli.
And we are now in Tasmania.
Tasmania?
Yeah.
Australia?
Island, it's a big Island. Kamalay, it's a big Island.
That's the other car. He's gonna drag the other car, and we are gonna load the other one.
Now we are moving
Moving to where?
to fill another crane,
Right.
and we are reverse back.
Yes, yes.
And we fill it all today.
Okay. 2 car today, 2 truck.
The main thing when you do this job,
Yeah.
you don't hit someone.
Lah
When you
bicara.
hit someone,
Lah bicara.
when you lose some strength. Let's give a 100% smile and 100% fun, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, come.
How was the Otera boy? Otera. Look. Now is the tractor driver. Barata Jimmy.
This is Brother Jim from the farm.
Iya, wih, terus memang kota change. Sini gue ngori. Ulia apa? Jangan ulia. Bata daru. Nakanin to mo na. Ni singa pala tu. How was it? Huh? How was it? The tractor driver. You pass the tractor driver no?
No,
Why?
because that when go in front, that I go to the back.
If you drive the brother, what you gonna do?
The car will go up like that.
The tractor take past the big car.
Talia, it's going to red pala. You don't know that.
Now it's Suki break time. How was the Suki? Suki.
Oh, good car,
Okay. Suki break.
Come and enjoy the
Enjoy the Suki under the
under the mango tree.
Okay.
Right. Kakwa denga handbrake, kakwa putula karat, kakwa me. Yeah, right. Wala nga control na steady. Right.
Take the wheel nicely, uncle. Now the second truck to go, people. There's a change over there. Dapat kau kabar tak? No hehe.
No head, no ha. Ha, nice.
Iya.
One side.
Time to load the first truck in the morning. This one. Brother. Nai.
You are boat load.
Oi.
Time load batao. इसके दिन मारो.
Oi.
हाँ.
So, nai load balis ka na ay kaya?
Memang load high.
Agora?
Orang naik.
Obe.
Oke naik.
Nai hot how obe? How happy? Good. Set berapa? Yeah, people. We are on top. Bukat kata. So that we can pack nicely. That's a big deal. Binaka. Binaka berada. Lidah. Huh? Yeah. The cane is moving up. It's hard to draw the cane inside the road.
Yeah.
Inside the. Yeah. Inside the. Look like this. Inside the truck.
You see the muscle.
Huh?
You see the muscle. When you take the skin. See the muscle.
How about when they put the bomb on the car? How about when they put the bomb on 8 kg?
Woo! Very big.
Look at it, people. Out there. Look at it. Look at it. Fully loaded. Now it's time. Loka time.
See. 1 hour.
This is the Trashman lock.
No.
Next time pigeon roll lock. Now it's time to lock people. Dami yan si Moy. Doing the lock. Hey, brother, you look like you lazy. Nada puro lagi stay. Tea break, bro. Oh, thank you, Nani ko. We're gonna have a tea, and then we're gonna check the last load for this afternoon.
This is the first
Tawan.
time ever. First time ever our mom doing outreach in the sugarcane farm.
This is the best. This is the best, mom.
The
We
quality.
should go and do the cutting. We should cook the food. Berada kula. Nani ko.
Kau masuk.
Pre. Ala ko karena gua harusnya karena pre. Bismillah. Bismillah. It's over. The day today is over. The day today over. Over. It's time to lock the last load. Itu balik. Last load.
Last load of the day.
Hard to remember. Yeah, we already done the second, and that's the first load there. And this one is. So yeah, people, that's how we do sugarcane in Allen style. That's how we do Allen style. Yeah. How we do Allen style. Iya. After the job, one grog session. Bombok sa with the body. The body. You wanna say something?
Bula. Bula guys. Tampaknya berat ng gusto montok. Thank you, Ben. You're nice. Ow!
Yeah, people. Just after the work today, we're just gonna have some coffee and relax the mind and the body because we load 2 trucks today.
What?
Load 2 truck. Yeah. Thank you.
Farewell, farewell grog,
Farewell for you and Sabat.
for you and Karen. Alright.
Hasta Otero boy.
This is Headman. Say hi to the camera.
How was the work today, bro?
Ako na mo sa live video.
Sing along, people.